What's up, guys? James R. Davis Sr. here. Wanted to come to you live today about credit repair agents. Yep, we need credit repair agents all over the country. And we're going to teach you guys exactly how to repair not only your own credit, right, and get your own credit score up, but we have people that are literally learning this system and they're charging other people anywhere from $200 to $500 to start repairing their credit and then charging an additional monthly fee. Or they're just simply selling this particular credit repair service, this system, for $99 one time to their clients so their clients can learn how to fix their own credit. But see, there are people out there that don't want to take the time to learn their own credit. They want you to do that for them. Okay, so we can equip you with the knowledge so you can go out here and charge whatever price you choose to charge. Had a family on the call the other night in Charlotte, North Carolina, $400 a head that they're charging that comes through their physical doors. Yep, they've literally started this business with my Iconz. It's $47.90, by the way, to become a representative with my Iconz so you can start helping other people repair their credit. $34.95 a month. Think about that. You can become a credit repair agent for $47.90. $34.95 a month. And so when you get started with us, this is what your business management center is going to look like. You're going to go straight here to the smart credit system. Okay, so you can start your training right away. And so you can master how to fix your own credit, and you can go out here and help other people repair their own credit. So you're going to go here, you're going to click right here, 750 credit plan. Okay. And then you're just going to simply go through the modules so you can learn everything that you need to learn. Let me show you an example of what you're going to get. Okay, when you click on this module right here, okay, you're also going to get how to pull your credit and the documentation, the PDF files. Okay, so make sure you scroll down through these, you watch the modules, you download the PDFs, okay, all of them that contain the PDF, so you can have it. Create a file so you can have all of your documentation, so you can have all of the spreadsheets that you need, okay, to help you start a credit restoration business so you can go out here and start helping people repair their credit. Now, a lot of our agents are literally using Craigslist to get the information out there, and they're getting customers every single day. And we're using, when you join us, we're going to send you this training, this free Craigslist training on how to make money selling the My Iconz Credit Repair Kit on Craigslist. Okay. You can also use social media. You can text people. You can let everybody know that you're in business to repairing people's credit, and you can charge them a lower fee than the competitive market. So again, let's recap this real quick. Okay. You can become an agent. Okay. By simply getting with me. I'll send you the direct link, okay, to enroll. In fact, let's go there now. It's shiftmycash.info. You're going to go there to join for $47.90 to become a credit repair agent. You're just going to get some extra perks when you do that, okay? Now, let me show you some proof real quick. Well, let me go here first. I'm going to be your sponsor, okay? I'm going to add you to our support group, so you can be around every other agent and every other person that's associated with my Iconz. You can scroll down here, $47.90. Skip this part. If you want it, you can get it. You don't have to. Create your username, and then you're done. Okay? Then you're done. When you join, we're gonna put you into our group. Now, let me show you something else real quick. This right here is a public group of proof testimonials. Okay? This is very important because when you start a business with us, you also get tax deductions. Okay, so you're gonna, you're gonna probably get an increase in your refund next year. We can't say that's a guarantee, but we know this: we're paying less taxes, and people are actually getting bigger refunds due to the deductions that they're able to get throughout the year. This person here just gave themselves a raise on their job, $336 for becoming an agent with us, right? They just joined. They paid $47.90, folks, $34.95 a month, and they're getting back in their paycheck on their job $336. This is not even including the credit repair sales that they're going to make and the credit repair clients that they're going to obtain over the next weeks, months, and years. Here's a testimonial real quick about some stuff getting removed, okay, using this system. Here's another testimonial that people are getting, okay, looking for that 700 mark. Here's another testimonial, and there are nothing but testimonials in this group. So you can see the proof. 23,000 members, and every last one of them are using our income shifting strategy, and they're using our credit repair smart kit to help repair their own credit, and they're obtaining clients to help repair their credit as well. So get with us immediately, folks. Get with me immediately. We're going to help you get started right away, okay? And we're going to teach you exactly what we're doing on repairing people's credit and how you can literally start a brick and mortar business, credit repair business, full-fledged business for only $34.95 per month, okay, per month, all right? Or, again, you can just pay the $99 one time, okay? You can pay the $99 one time, right? Start repairing your own credit. Now, that does not make you an agent, though, okay, unless you actually start your own business, get this system, and start learning it and just start charging people what you want to charge. Yes, you can do that, but you're not going to be included into the group. You're not going to be around the fire just purchasing this as a customer and repairing your own credit. We will put you into our team group, but we won't be able to put you into our agent group. Okay, team group meaning other customers that have received great results from the credit repair by itself. All right, and so when you join us as an agent, though, we can get you in our agent group, and you're going to get some more training on more things, more tips on not just repairing credit, not just maintaining credit, but other things pertaining to credit scores and just the credit business, period. Okay, so I look forward to working with you guys. James R. Davis Sr. signing out. Peace. Click the link below. Click the link below in the description so you can get started. Once again, it's going to be at shiftmycash.info. All right, just click below. Look below in the description. You're going to see that. Click on it. Go ahead and sign up for the $47.90 so we can go ahead and get you trained, and so you can start helping repairing people's credit. People need it, and we definitely have the solution. We have the #1 credit repair system in the entire country, hands down. For the past 4 or 5 months, I've heard it all from people. $1,500 they're being charged, $800 that they're being charged, $200 a month, and they're not even getting the scores that they desire. So we decided to go ahead and learn this stuff ourselves, and so we can do it ourselves. And so we can go out here and help the people, right? People are being charged way too much money. You have the opportunity to put your own prices on what you decide to charge people if you choose to, because you're going to have the knowledge, strategies, and the secrets that the industry is definitely needing to know about. Okay, James R. Davis Sr. signing out. Peace. Look forward to working with you soon. Bye for now.